How to change location access for Weather app. Here's how to do it on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Next, tap Location Services and make sure Location Services is turned on. Now, scroll down and select the Weather. Here, you can choose how the Weather app accesses your location. Select Never if you don't want the app to use your location. Choose Ask Next Time or When I Share if you want iPhone to ask for permission each time. Select While using the app to allow location access only when the Weather app is open. Or choose Always if you want the app to update weather information for your current location in the background. You can also turn Precise Location on or off, depending on whether you want more accurate local weather forecasts. Once you've selected your preferred option, the changes are saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully changed the location access settings for the Weather app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.